Good afternoon, it is Hunter over at Audi Fall River. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the open windows with the key when outside of the car. So, starting, this is a Q3 we are looking at today at the home screen. We're going to hit Vehicle, from there, Settings and Service, and then from there, Central Locking. At that point, you're going to see long press to open windows. It is on, so turn off, turn on, and it is on. So now we're going to get out of the car and I'm going to show you how to do it. We are now outside of the car. So, taking your key, we're going to hold, unlock, and as you can see, it's going to start putting them all down, just like that. It's that easy. If you want to lock them up, you're going to go up to the door and just hold down. It's going to lock the car, and it's going to put them right back up. Today we took a look at how to open and close the windows with just your keys and holding the lock. If you have any other questions, please reach out to me, Hunter at Audi Fall River, 774-379-1736. Thank you.